Welcome, intrepid explorers. Prepare to be whisked away on a virtual journey through the enchanting of Iran, where history and culture intertwine in a symphony of beauty and wonder. As we meander through the ancient streets and vibrant bazaars of this magical city, let your imagination soar and your curiosity be piqued by the treasures that await around every corner. From the majestic architecture of its mosques and palaces to the fragrant gardens that bloom with poetry and romance, Iran beckons you to immerse yourself in its rich tapestry of sights and sounds. Join us as we uncover the hidden gems and untold stories of this captivating destination, and let the spirit of Iran captivate your soul. Like, share, and subscribe to embark on this unforgettable adventure with us. Let's dive into the wonders of Iran together. Today we have come to a special and new market in Mashhad, a market that is not very old but has gained many fans and keeps its customers loyal with new products every day. Mosli Crystal Market in Mashhad. In this market, you can buy all imitation and non-gold jewelry at a lower price. As you know, Iranian women and girls always care a lot about their appearance, so it is natural that they need a large market of cheap rhinestones and jewelry. Also, in this video, we go to the commercial complex located on the same street, where there are all kinds of stationery and toys, as well as sewing and needlework. This video is a rich video of Iranian market diversity, don't miss it.
بندازیمشون که
گفتم 45 این برند بهته 80 برند الواری همه مدل 30 تومن اونایی که برند